Hi students, good evening everybody. In exercise 13.1, let us solve 16th question first bit. 16th question first bit. Limit x tends to 3, x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 13 upon x minus 3. So immediately what should you do? Put square root, limit value I am putting here 3 plus 1, 4, 16, root 16 means 4, 4 minus 4, 0 by 0, usually indeterminate form. What should you do if you get indeterminate form 0 by 0? Not only 0 by 0, infinity by infinity or infinity power infinity or 0 power 0, infinity plus infinity, infinity minus infinity, all those are indeterminate forms only. Now I am taking given limit again. Limit x tends to 3, x plus 1 minus by x minus 3. Limit x tends to 3, x plus 1. Now I am rationalizing the numerator, right? Into x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 13 by x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 13. Here we have minus symbol middle, opposite symbol we have to multiply and divide, that is called rationalization. Since multiplying numerator and denominator by RF of numerator. Got it? So, limit of x tends to 3. Numerator looks like now a plus b into a minus b. See here, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, a plus b into a minus b. So, I can write a square minus b square. A square minus b square, careful here, upon x minus 3 into x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 30. Got it? So what is the formula here? A square minus b square equal to algebra, high school algebra. So limit x is tending to 3, looks like a plus b whole square, right? I can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here square root gets cancelled, so what is remaining? Minus x minus 13 upon x minus 3 into x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 30. So which formula used here? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Algebraic formula. Okay, then what is remaining now? Limit x tends to 3, x square, 2x minus 1x plus 1x minus 12, right? So again factorization by splitting middle term here, plus x plus 30. Okay, what are the factors of 12 here? What are the factors of 12? 4 3's I will take, right? Plus 4x minus 3x I am taking. Am I clear? Am I correct here? Can I take like that? Hope it is clear. Plus 1 I wrote 4x minus 3x. Plus 1x is written as 4x minus 3x. Because factors of 12 are 4 3's. Okay. Now, limit x tending to 3. I will take x common. X plus 4 minus 3 common. X plus 4 upon x minus 3 into x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 30. Right? Now, limit x tends to 3. What are the factors here? X minus 3 into x plus 4 upon x minus 3. Now I got common factor here, can be cancelled. For that purpose only we solve it. Common factor is cancelled. Now substitute the limit here. What is the value for limit? 3. So 3 plus 4 upon x tends to 3 now. So 3 plus 4 upon 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 plus 13 root 16 means 4. 7 upon 8. Therefore, what is my answer here? Limit x tends to 3, x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 13 upon x minus 3 equal to 7 by 8. That is my final answer. Hope it is clear. Clear? Shall we go to the second one? Yeah. Second one we will see. Look at the second bit. Same model. Limit x tends to 1. Square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 5 minus x upon x square minus 1. So as usual, in the place of x if you replace 1, so surely we will get 0 by 0. This is called indeterminate form. So I can go for next procedure. Limit x is tending to 1. Square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 5 minus x upon x square minus 1 equal to limit is square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 5 minus x by x square minus 1 into square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 5 minus x by. Hope this step is clear. I am rationalizing numerator here. Since there is minus symbol in the numerator, plus by plus I am doing. Since multiplying both numerator and denominator by RF of numerator. Okay, so I will simplify this. Limit x tends to 1 looks like a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So I can write a square minus b square upon x square minus 1 into square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 5 minus x. Since a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Am I clear? Now square root gets cancelled. Limit x tends to 1. 3 plus x minus 5 minus into minus plus x. You be careful when we simplify this. Square root gets cancelled, but before bracket there is minus symbol. So carefully you have to write x square minus 1 into square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 5 minus x. So here what is remaining here? 2x minus 2. Take 2 common. X minus 1. Looks like a square minus b square. I can write x plus 1 into x minus 1. Root of 3 plus x plus root of 5 minus x. Here x square minus 1. X square minus 1 is nothing but x plus 1 into x minus 1. Factors. Factorization. So common factor is cancelled here. So limit x tends to 1, 2 by x plus 1 into square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 5 minus x. This is remaining factor, right? Now in the place of x keep 1. 2 by 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4 means 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4 means 2. That is equal to 2 by 2 into 4. 2 ones, 2, 1 by 4. Therefore, limit x tends to 1, square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 5 minus x upon x square minus 1. Value 1 upon 4. That is therefore step. Hope it is clear. So up to 16th problem we solve. Remaining problems we shall see in the next class. Thank you.